Yes, sir. Sir, sir, I'll be right back, sir. 1 minute.
Okay, Chaitanya, are you ready?
Sir,
Right. Fraction, generally fraction definition. Fraction is a part of a whole. See, in earlier classes, how do we learn fraction? You know, take a circle and divide into 4 equal parts. Equal
Sir.
parts.
Okay.
Let's shade one part. So how many parts I have shaded here? One.
Sir, 1/4, sir.
4. Okay, now it is a fraction. Means fraction is a part from the whole. And
Okay,
fraction,
sir.
there are number of fractions like proper, improper, like, unlike, unit, mixed, equivalent. Many are there. We'll see the types of fractions. So definition, anyways, you know, numerator, denominator, that all you know. Decimal fraction. Decimal fraction in the sense the denominator must be in tens, in zeros like this.
Okay, sir.
3 by 10, 9 by 10, 13 by 10, 27 by. This we can express as decimals. 3 by 10 we will write like 0.3. 9 by 10 we will write like 0.9. 13 by 100 we will write like 0.13. 27 by 1000 we will write like 0.027. So that these are called decimal fractions. Next. Vulgar fractions. This is the new name we are hearing here. Vulgar fractions are what? A fraction whose denominator is a whole number other than 10. Means two types we are dividing here.
Okay,
one
sir.
is 10 and one is not 10. Not 10. 10 in the sense decimal fraction, not 10 in the sense vulgar fraction. Okay. New name we will
Okay,
see.
sir.
In this name we can't see in our regular math. Proper fraction we know, improper we know. Proper means numerator
Sir,
is
1
small.
minute, sir. I'm copying vulgar fraction definition.
Okay, take.
Sir, can you move a little bit up? Okay, sir. Fraction. Done, sir. Copied, sir.
No. Proper in the sense numerator is smaller, improper numerator is big. That you know. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Mixed means whole number and proper fraction. Mixed means whole number and proper fraction. Take any number and proper fraction. Numerator should be small. That is mixed. We know how to convert mixed into improper. Just will take into and plus. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. You know this? Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
Conversion. Okay. Sauzuddin, please do respond. No? Equivalent fractions, they have the same value. I will take a number, a fraction 2 by 3. I want to write some equivalent fractions here. I should multiply with first 2 by 2, next 3 by 3, next 4 by 4. Same numerator and same denominator we have to multiply. If I multiply this 2 by 2, what I will get? I will get 4 by 6. I will get 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 6 by 9. 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 8 by 12. 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15. 2 6s are 12, 3 6s are 18. So same fraction we are multiplying with 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, whatever you want. Then we will get the equivalent fraction. These all values are same. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3 only. 6 by 9 is also 2 by 3. 8 by 12 is also 2 by 3. 10 by 15 is also 2 by 3. 12 by 18 is also 2 by 3. Okay, ma?
Okay, sir.
Now, next we'll go. Yes, very good. Like fractions. Like fractions, they have the same denominator. Okay, no? Unlike fractions, they have the different denominators. These two are different denominators. They are unlike fractions. Unit fraction, numerator should be 1. Numerator is 1. Till here, types of fractions. Only one new word, vulgar fraction, which the denominators are not 10. And now we are going to the problems. Lowest term means simplification. 8 by 24 you take, cancel with common number, 8 ones are 8, 3 8s. We can't cancel further here.
Okay,
4 by
sir.
6 you take, cancel 2 table 2 times, 3 times, 2 by 3. So we can't cancel. These are prime numbers we will get. Then it is called lowest terms or simplest form, anything we can say. Comparing and ordering. When we compare two fractions, the denominator should be same. Then only we can compare. Here you see the example. Here 13 and 13 are the denominator. Then we can say 9 by 13 is the big number and 5 by 13 is the small number. Sometimes numerator will be the same. Then hope you are hearing. 13 by 15, 13 by 21 is there. Tauzuddin and Chaitanya. Denominators are same. Big numerator is the big fraction. But numerators are same. Small denominator is the big fraction. Small denominator 15, no? So 13 by 15 is the bigger. You understand the difference? Chaitanya, Tauzuddin.
Yes, sir.
Denominators are same means bigger numerator is the bigger value. Numerator are same means smaller denominator is the bigger value. This is the comparison. Next page. Yes, multiplication of fractions so simple. We just multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. And reciprocal, just change the numerator to denominator. Product of a fraction and reciprocal is 1. Division of fractions. Division, how shall we do? We will write first fraction as it is, and we will take division as into, and we will write reciprocal of the second fraction. Okay, now division is also multiplication only, but division symbol changes as multiplication. That means multiply the second fraction with its reciprocal is nothing but division. Multiplying the divisor with its divisor of its reciprocal. That is nothing but division. So now division is possible here. 9 3s are 27, 5 5s are. Got it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Next. Now we are entering into the problems. I'm giving 2 minutes time. Please answer it, Nano. 1 minute. Yeah, these all are like what we have discussed now. That only there. 1 second. Yeah, this is the starting phase. This is the starting phase. 1, 2, 3 questions, please complete. Tauzuddin and Chaitanya, 1, 2, 3 questions, please complete. No?
Sir, for A.
Tauzuddin, tell me.
Natural numbers.
The fraction A and B are whole numbers, no?
Sir, I'm typing my answer in chat box, sir.
Okay,
Chat
Nano.
box, sir.
Right. Tauzuddin, fractions AB should be whole numbers, not natural.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yes, second one is numerator, third one is denominator. Okay, no? So simple, no? These are
Yes,
basic.
sir.
Next,
Yes.
fourth onwards, I'm opening. Yeah, you can see 4, 5, 6, 7. First you answer 4, 5, 6, 7, no?
Sir, 5/7.
Okay. Okay. Both of you type the answers. Okay, Tejuddin, right.
Sir, fourth 5/7 and fifth 1/4, sir.
Okay, Amma, right.
Sir, fifth one is 1/4, sir.
Very good. Very
Fractions
good.
whose denominator as
6 to
full
10.
curve fraction.
6 to 10 at a time. 6 to 10 all at a time. Okay, no? At a time you should tell.
Okay, sir. Sir, first one is
Yes, completed Nana. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
yes, sir. First one is A. Second one is C. And third one is D. And
Tajuddin, please type your answers. Your voice is breaking, Nana.
okay, sir.
Okay, right. Chaitanya, you also type now.
Sir, I'm typing, sir, right now.
Okay. Okay, Chaitanya. And Tajuddin, just check your answers. Whose denominators are 10? Yes, it is decimal. Whose denominators is a whole number other than 10? It is vulgar. Fractions numerator are either equal to or greater than. Numerator is greater. Improper. A proper fraction denominator is dash. Denominator big. Proper fraction is like this. Denominator big, no? So don't confuse there. And fractions with different denominators are called unlike. Reciprocal. 11th one you did not do, no? And please check your answers, no? 6 to 10. DA, BBT. DA,
Okay, sir.
BBD. DA, BBD. Next, 11, 12, 13. Please do 11, 12, 13. Completed, no? Chaitanya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right. The reciprocal of a proper fraction is improper. Which of the following is larger? All same denominator. You can say this is larger. And the fraction is less than 1 by 12. Less than 1 by 12. 1 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12? No. Less than 7 by 12? Yes. Only B is correct. Only B is correct. Because 1 by 12, 7 by 12. This is a big, so obviously this becomes small. Right? Tajuddin, please check the answers for 11, 12, 13. I'm moving the screen up. 14 onwards. 14, 15, 16, 17. Please do it. 14, 15, 16, 17. After finishing, please do message or raise the hand. I will explain. Okay, Chaitanya. So these sums are okay. Sometimes you will get multiple answers. So 2 by 3, just do the cancellation. To do the cancellation, what you will get? Let us check. First one, no. 4 twos, 3 twos, no. 2 fives, 5 fives, no. 2 fives, 3 fives, yes.
Sir, I got
Di-
same answer, sir.
Very good, Mama.
Sir, 15 option B, sir.
All right, let me check.
Sir, because denominators are equal, we only need to add the numerators, sir. And we will get 7 by 7, which is equal to 7, sir.
7 by 7, 1, no. Chaitanya. 7 by 7, 1 by 1, no. Okay, now? Chaitanya.
Yes, sir.
7 by 1 is 7. Okay, don't confuse.
Okay, sir.
This is different. This is it's an option here. And this is also same like 5 minus 3, 2. 2 by 8. 2 by 8 is option C. And this is different denominators. Different denominators we will take as LCM. 2 and 3 LCM I have to take. 2 and 3 LCM is 6. Okay, now? So I shall change the denominator as a like fraction, so that I have to multiply here into 3 by 3 into 2 by 2. In 6th class we will do, no? 9 by 6 minus 4 by 6. 9 minus 4 by 6. 9 minus 4 is how much? 5 by 6 is the answer. Okay, please check, children. 17%. Four plus how much is 7? Tajuddin? 4 plus how much is 7? Chaitanya? Chaitanya.
Sir?
4 plus how much is 7?
Sir, 4 plus 3, sir.
12, 12.
Option D. Okay. Right. 19, 20, please. 19, 20, 21, please. Division came here. Careful.
Sir, 40 by 27.
First one, huh? 40.
Yes, sir, 40 by
first-
27.
First fraction we will write as it is, and division it shall multiply with reciprocal. Division changes as multiplication, and 5 by 7 comes as 9 by 5. 5 by 9
Sir.
comes.
Reciprocal
Twen-
multiplication.
27 by 40, no.
Sir, that only I tell, sir. 27 by 40.
Sir, he
Oh,
told
okay.
40 by 27.
No.
Okay, now 20th. 20th, see. How many 1/7 makes 1? How many 1/7?
Sir, I
1/7
think answer is
Sir?
option B, sir.
15 by 27. 15 by 72. That also we have to do, sir.
Why 15 by 72? Why
That
do you
also we
multiply?
have to do, sir.
Why are you multiplying, Tezuddin? It's multiplication here. Division is given, no. If it is multiplication, this
Sir,
answer
we
is
have
correct.
to do that also. No, sir. 15 by 27.
What you will do that?
No, sir. Sorry, sir.
That is multiplication, Nana. Don't confuse. And see, Nana, how many 1/7 makes 1? 1/7 means this one. 1/7 into some number is equal to 1. Obviously 7. Option C, Chaitanya.
Sir.
Okay, now option C.
Okay, sir.
And this is which is correct, which is wrong. Just check out statement 1, statement 2.
3 by 7. Statement 2, 6 by 6. View Chaitanya.
Tejuddin, mind the work.
Sir?
Do Nana.
What, sir?
Nothing. Do the work.
Okay, sir.
Three by 7. If you multiply with 4, 12 by 28 will come. But 12 by 32 is there. No, first one is wrong. And second one, 6 by 16 less than 24 by 64. How can we say? I'm writing here, check. 6 by 16 less than 24 by 64. I'll open the board. 6 by 16 less than 24 by 64. Let's cancel. Here 3 2s and 8 2s. And here 3 8s and 8 8s. 3 by 8 less than 3 by 8. Actually, both are equal. After simplest form, after writing in simplest form, both are equal. But it was given like less than. So second statement is also wrong. Got it? Hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now? Please do respond when I am asking. Yes, so both the statements are incorrect. Let us see the options here, what were given. Yes, see options.
Sir, what is next class, sir?
Physics, no.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, physics. Both the statements are false. Option B is correct. Okay. Now, please take the screenshot and do this homework. Take the screenshot, Nana. I'm ending up the class. Yeah, right. (22 to 32). Take the screenshot. And tomorrow I'll ask this work. So simple, these all are. And 26 to 29 odd man out means one option is different than other options. Maybe all are proper fractions, one is improper, like that. Our simplification is not equivalent fraction. And 30 to 32, again single answer type. So we are having different models here. Single answer type, multiple answer type, odd one out, and assertion reasoning like. So different models will be in IIT. Okay, Nana, I'm ending the class. So we shall continue on tomorrow.